This is Team 25 for the COMP204-205P Apps project, and our clients are the UCL Institute of Archaeology. So archaeologists need a quick way to survey archaeological sites with minimum manpower, and they use drones to capture aerial images and create 3D models from these images. It's very difficult to plan these autonomous missions real time, and they currently use ground stations to load missions into drones before going to the site. This method is inaccurate, time-consuming, and is not precise enough. The key requirements for our apps project were a mobile application written in the Android SDK to help plan flights in real time. It needed to mark waypoints and fly the grid without physically flying to each location. It needed to use a map-based system to plan flights. It needed to choose the altitude, angle, and speed precisely. It needed to be compatible with the DJI Phantom 3 and later models, and there had to be suitable overlap between the longitude and latitude of points to take the correct type of picture, amongst other things. So our solution was a mobile application for the Android phone using the DJI API. It was a user-friendly application, and it helped plan customized mission settings to plan very specific missions. It allowed the user to take precise measurements, and there was also a fallback option such as the manual flight control being added. The supporting technologies include the DJI API, the Android SDK, and the Google Maps API. This is a demonstration of the automatic flight path. As you can see, the user now opens a configuration option where he can choose the speed, altitude, or angle. He can then choose what to do when the flight finishes and the heading. The user then zooms in and adds waypoints to the mission. Once these waypoints are added, it shows the GSD being calculated, which is basically the route that it's going to use. The user selects the start and upload, and this is what goes to the simulator. As you can see on the screen, the simulator now appears, and when the user clicks the upload and start instruction, these instructions are sent to the drone and are simulated on the simulator. You will now see that the drone will simulate the instructions sent to it. The user is also presented with a manual option that has multiple features.